Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute. It is Wednesday, the 6th of August, and we are getting into, let's call it a new air mass, as high pressure starting to build southward from in eastern Canada, and that's going to turn the flow a bit more onshore. We're also still getting waves of cloud cover coming up from the southwest, and there's been southern moisture with rains going on in the Carolinas and Georgia and back into Alabama. But the actual rain itself has had a real tough time moving northward into the dry air. The clouds have had less of a tough time, and we have some around today, but I think it's going to be no worse than partly sunny. You'll notice that the wind is going to be from the east, not only today, but for the next several days. And that's actually going to help to hold temperatures down just a little bit. Not a not a lot is happening on the radar this morning, although we have some big thunderstorms that are moving through Minnesota and into western Iowa. Those are not going to be an issue for us. There's rain on the radar just to the south and east off the New Jersey coast and south of Long Island, but that's sliding out to the northeast. And some heavier rains down in Virginia and North Carolina and back to western South Carolina and Georgia. But again, as far as eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England is concerned, I'm having trouble with some today. We're not going to be worried about precipitation maybe for the next 7 days. WPC has carved out an area from Rhode Island and Connecticut, Long Island, westward across New Jersey into eastern and southern Pennsylvania, down into Delaware and Maryland, where no rain is in the forecast for the next 7 days. And that takes us right into next Wednesday morning. So it's all about the big high to the north that's going to build in. Temperatures by day near the coast will probably be in the 70s to about 80, and inland areas mostly in a range of 80 to 85. You can see on the European as we move through Thursday and Friday. There's lower pressures off the southeast coast. We may eventually wind up getting something tropical there. That looks like it wants to slide out to the northeast. So just look for dry conditions. And right now, the weekend is looking nice and sunny with temperatures most likely in the middle to upper 80s. And if you want to know when the next time we'll get anything significant as far as rain is concerned, you might have to wait until a week from today when a cold front will be coming through. Maybe that produces some showers and storms. Don't forget the Joe and Joe Weather Show podcast tonight at 7:35 p.m. Eastern Time on YouTube.